Just gonna say real quick that this engine right here is running good. Everything's working on it. Temperature's good. Go to the smooth values. See, everything's running and working good. This engine, when I first started messing with it, had 60 psi, 20, 30, 60. Now I got 160, 155, 155, 160 basically. Within 5 psi of each other across the board just about. All I did was some oil in each one. This motor has been sitting a long time. The rings get stuck. You got a motor that don't want to start, low on compression. Oil that sucker up. Let it sit for 2 hours with a little bit of oil in it, maybe 2 caps full. Just enough to sit over the crown of the piston and go down the edges and let it sit. And then just put some rags over the holes and let it free spin after the 2 hours. Get it up into the things, then add some more oil, put the plugs back in, and then spin it over the plugs. Get some compression in behind those rings to pop those rings out and get oil in them. Get that sucker lubed up. Yeah, you may have to do it twice, 2 or 3 times, but this engine is up and running. The compression is good. The smooth running values are good. It'll start right back up now, no problem. So, if you have an engine that's been sitting for a long time, the rings can get stuck and they lose their wall lubrication. Do some oiling of the cylinder walls. Some people let them sit overnight with diesel fuel, but like I said, this one was just like maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours, some oil in it, then turn it over with no plugs in it, and then add more oil, plugs in it, turn it over and over. Did that twice, put it back together, and now she's running good.